Right, in this video we are looking at how tourism supports social and economic development. So firstly, let's not forget, tourism is part of the tertiary job sector. Now, if we have a development of tourism within an LIC, for example, my class studies the example of Jamaica. So Jamaica is an LIC, but they have had a huge influx of the tourist industry in Jamaica, which has produced a lot of tertiary jobs. Now, this means that local people in places like Jamaica are now going to earn more money compared to the primary job sector. Now, if people are earning more money, unfortunately, that means people have to pay more tax. Who does that tax get paid to? That tax gets paid to the government. Then the government has more money to invest. Invest in what? Three things. So they can invest in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. So when I say education, schools. When I say healthcare, hospitals, health clinics. When I say infrastructure, I mean roads, railways, bridges, ports, airports, sewage pipes, electricity pipes, all the things society needs to function, right? Now, when these three things here, education, healthcare and infrastructure, when they all improve and get better, this will attract further investment from large TNCs, transnational corporations, because a TNC is likely to invest in a place that has good schools. Why? Because that region, that area, that country will have a skilled workforce. It's good for them. A TNC is likely to invest in a place if there's good healthcare. Why? Because that area will have a healthy workforce. It's good for them. Likely to invest in the area of good infrastructure. Why? Because it helps them to make money. For trade, for example. Now, if a TNC invests in an area, this will lead to an increase in more jobs for local people. Now, those jobs, once again, are likely to be secondary or tertiary. Could be a mix. And of course, it's a bit of a loop here. So this means if there's more secondary and tertiary jobs, once again, people are going to get paid more money compared to primary jobs, and this process just continues. And that's it. So as soon as people start investing in tourism in a really poor country, in an LIC, this is a process that country will go through to socially and economically develop.